Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. So uh, as you can see here on the help center of WhatsApp, it says it's not possible to backup or restore your chat history or linked devices such as WhatsApp on web, WhatsApp on Mac, or WhatsApp on Windows. So if we so anywhere and everywhere. So if we go through Android, we will see that it says open the Google Drive app and sign in into your Google accounts. Then tap on menu backups, and if you are saving WhatsApp backups to your Google accounts, they will appear in this list. So that's not the solution, because we want to recover the messages of WhatsApp without backup. Alright, so I have a mini solution that can help. It's impossible to restore for the help center of WhatsApp. It's impossible to restore your chat history without backup. So for me, I will just show you a mini solution. I just want you to type that website on your search bar, and then once you are in, I want you to install that. Sorry, to install that app. My phone D back. And once you click on recover now, they will send you into your files. Then click on save, and it will be installed. So you just need to complete the install, and then you need to open up the app, and then you just need to link your phone with your PC with a cable, and try to complete steps of that app. Alright, it says every single step that you need to do on that app or while using that application. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your beloved ones, and see you next video.